Hi everyone, I'm going to present my final project for CS50w. As a final project, I made a basic tarot reader. As you can see, tarot is a card game, and for the landing page of the project, you can see that we have a header menu. We have these two different cards that represent different project sections. So if I click here and discard what tarot is, we can see that this takes me to a brief description of what tarot is. Then if I go back and I click the other card, make a tarot lecture, this takes me to the login of the project, because for this option you have to be identified as a user. So I'm going to create a new account here for demo purposes. So now that I create this new account, this logged me into the project. As you can see, we have new different options here in the header menu. We have make a lecture options, my lectures options, and a grading for the logged in user. Now if I click here in the make a lecture option, make a lecture card, this takes me to this different screen with this rounded button. This section is the same option that we have here in the header menu. In my lectures option, we have a table with the history of the lectures that the user has created. Like this is a new user, this user has no lecture yet, so we are going to create a first lecture for this user. If I click here, this triggers the process to make a tarot lecture, and this process gives me 3 different cards from the tarot deck, and each card represents past, present, and future, and each card has different properties. So as you can see, these are the card properties down here below the card. Now that I created a lecture, we can go back to my lecture section, and we can see that we have a new record here where we can consult the cards that belongs to this lecture. So if I continue create a new lecture, we can see that the records increases in my lecture section. Sorry. So if I'm going to continue create a new lectures here, and now we can see that we have different records for the lectures, and we can consult the different cards for every lecture according to the creation date. Another property of the project is basically that is fully responsive. If I change the width of the screen for a smartphone screen, we can see that we have the project resize automatically, the element resize automatically, and we have the menu right here, and we can make the same process to create a new lecture. And you can see that the cards are arranged according to the screen, and also the table for the tarot lectures. Here we can see that we have the different lectures here, and we can go back and consult the information. And basically that's pretty much it about my project. I hope you like it.